Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have a lot to go over. QQQ, SPY, SMH are all rolling over. We are getting buying opportunities. We're looking at the 1 year chart right here. If you zoom in on QQQ from 635 all the way down to 560 right now, we are down 12% on an overall indice. That is a massive buying opportunity. We're going to break down all the indices. We'll break down the Mag 7 and a few stocks that I think you should be paying attention to. So let's take a look at SPY. It has rolled over as well from highs of 695 down to 633. SMH as well, pulling back. The SPAN X Semiconductor ETF testing this major support level at $375. Let's go over the biggest MAG performer right here. Meta stock has fallen off a cliff. We were talking about this on our TikTok videos and our YouTube videos, showing that 800 was a top. It's pulled back, broke this trend line at 637. Now we are trending to 500. If you zoom in on this level, this is the first retest that you should be starting to take serious. It's going to be around $490 to about $500. I'll be watching that level for Meta. If you look at the 1 year, our RSI is very high right now. Look right here, RSI 22. It is starting to look interesting to take a position. We need to see where this is going to land. Same thing happens here with Microsoft. Microsoft double top 550. Now it is sold all the way down. Your next retest is going to be $350. Retesting down here, an absolute low of 342. I would not be surprised if we saw a bounce there. Remember the overall picture here. Microsoft is trending and breaking this trend line. So a lot of confidence has been broken, 410 all the way down to 350. Let's watch and see if we get 342 on this level. Adobe stock is a fallen knife. As you see here with Adobe, we're making new lows to $234 per share. We are waiting for this support level on Adobe stock at $205 per share. So pay attention to that. Something interesting. Netflix is the only stock that is green today. It is holding up. If you look at tech, you look at anything in the Qs, Netflix is holding up, holding the support level at $91. Looks very good from a long-term perspective. Just needs to maintain $92 per share. I would definitely keep an eye on that. If we move our attention to Google stock, Alphabet has pulled back. It has broken that key support level, basically around $296 per share. This is something we need to watch. If it continues to pull back, Google, I would not be surprised to see $250 per share. Very interesting. There's a lot of opportunity here. Even AVGO stock, which I love to day trade. If you watch my channel, you know that this is one of my favorite stocks to day trade, but it looks pretty weak right now. If 294 doesn't hold, I'm afraid we are going to see $280 per share. That would be your next leg of support on this angle. Oracle stock, I've been calling for 125 for about a year now, and we're finally looks like we are going to break this level at $134, retest down to about $120 per share. This is the exciting part about the trading in the stock market, is when you get these opportunities, they only stay at the bottom for so long, so you really need to put the money in when the time comes. Amazon stock pulling back to about $196 per share. We'll see what it does here. If Amazon stock continues to have weakness, we could see 163, something to pay attention to. Nike stock has been a dog. It has continuously rejected this pattern. This is why I sold them in the long-term portfolio. Didn't think that it was worth it. It sold off big time. Something to keep an eye on for that.